Hey there, today we're going to tackle a common problem that Emacs users on macOS might face. So here's the issue. After upgrading to macOS Sonoma v14.1.1, some Emacs users, including myself, encountered a rather annoying problem. When launching Emacs from the command line, the Emacs window pops up but doesn't have the focus, which can be quite frustrating. Luckily, there's a simple solution to this problem that I'm about to explain in detail. The solution to this problem involves a quick tweak in your Emacs configuration. To fix the focus issue, you just need to add a line of code to your stats.emacs file. Simply include the following snippet. Select frame set input focus selected frame. This line instructs Emacs to set the input focus to the selected frame, ensuring that when you launch Emacs from the command line, the window will have the focus as expected. And voila! That's the solution to the focus problem in Emacs on macOS Sonoma. To sum it up, we've addressed a common annoyance faced by Emacs users on macOS Sonoma, where the Emacs window was launching without focus when started from the command line. By adding select frame set input focus selected frame to your dos.emacs, you can ensure that the focus is set correctly. It's a simple fix that can make your Emacs experience on macOS much smoother. With that, I hope this solution helps enhance your Emacs usage on macOS Sonoma. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep on Emacsing.